it's Jordan from Professional Edge. This one's for all my adult rec athletes out there. Anybody that's looking to take their game to that next level, you gotta use plyometrics. So over and above all your training that you're doing, you gotta get explosive. So the first thing we're gonna take a look at is something we call a jump and switch. And basically Louis is just gonna use his top leg as his drive leg and push up as high and as hard as you can. As you get comfortable with the motion, you explode higher and higher, and you really get that top. That's your speed of movement, but you gotta be trained to be doing this. Perfect work. From there, we're gonna move over to the hurdles and get the feet flying on some hurdle work. So sports is all about speed, especially foot movement. So if you're playing adult rec sports, this is a foot drill you're gonna wanna try from the inside to the outside as fast as those feet will move. We're gonna show it, we gotta slow it down for you because Louis just Mr. Speedy. That's your pattern, and it's all about working the speed and really pushing. It's okay to hit the hurdles and knock them down. You wanna see foot speed, and once we got the foot speed, you know you're getting better at your sport. That's enough of that. Let's get an up-down drill going now. Adult rec sports is also about fitness and the full conditioning of the whole body. So what we're gonna do here is a footwork drill that includes some up and down motions. So Louis is gonna hit those hurdles as fast as he can and sprawl out on the end. And he's back up and right back to the other side. It's that speed up and down that really makes you that harder. And great work, great work. So that's to be an adult rec superstar, you've got to work these kind of drills into your overall training. Continue to do what you're doing, add some of these drills, that's your professional edge.